10 proven ways to make $100 per day. 1. Freelancing writing, design, audio editing, programming, etc. Freelancing platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer allow you to sell your skills. Writers can earn $20, $50 per article. Designers can earn $50, $200 per project, and editors can charge per hour. Completing just a few gigs daily can easily add up to $100.20. Remote work and virtual assistants. Many businesses are hiring remote workers for tasks like email handling, customer support, scheduling, and data entry. Dollar tent, $25. Working just 4 to 6 hours can help you hit $100 a day. 3. Content creation. YouTube, blogging, TikTok, etc. While it takes time to build an audience, content creation can be highly rewarding, with ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. Creators can scale from $10 a day to $100 a day or more once their channels gain traction. 4. Affiliate marketing. By promoting products or services online, you can earn commissions. For example, recommending a $100 software with a 30% commission earns you $30. With 3 to 4 sales per day, you can easily reach $100.50. Online tutoring and teaching. If you're skilled in subjects like English, math, or even music, you can teach online. Via platforms like Preply, Cambly, or Udemy, rates range between $10 to $30 per hour, and just a few students can bring you $100 a day. 6. E-commerce and dropshipping. With platforms like Shopify, Amazon, or Etsy, you can sell physical or digital products. Even a handful of daily sales at a $20 to $30 profit margin quickly adds up to $100 or more. 7. Stock photography and digital products. Selling stock photos, eBooks, printables, or courses is a passive income option. Once created, these products can sell over and over again, adding up to daily income. 8. Social media management. Small businesses are always looking for someone to run their Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok accounts. Charging even $300, $500 a month per client means you only need 3 to 5 clients to consistently make $100 day. 9. Gig economy jobs. Uber, food delivery, TaskRabbit, etc. If you prefer offline work, apps like Uber, DoorDash, or TaskRabbit can help you earn per task. Depending on location, completing 5 to 10 jobs daily can hit your $100 goal. 10. Investments and side hustles. Investing in stocks, real estate, or crypto can also contribute to daily earnings. However, this method requires capital and comes with risks. It should be combined with active income sources. How to reach $100. For faster, combine multiple methods. X. Freelancing plus tutoring. Improve your skills to charge higher rates. Stay consistent. Focus on 1 or 2 methods instead of chasing every trend. Automate income streams with digital products or affiliate marketing. Final thoughts. Making $100 a day in 2025 is absolutely achievable with freelancing, content creation, online businesses, and side hustles. Anyone willing to put in the effort can reach this milestone. The key is to start today, stay consistent, and choose the path that best fits your skills. If you're serious about financial freedom, this video will guide you step by step toward making $100 per day.